Solving multi-step linear equations, a step-by-step guide. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an essential topic in algebra: solving multi-step linear equations. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in handling these equations and understand their underlying principles. A multi-step linear equation is an equation that requires more than one step to solve. Unlike simple equations, where you might only add, subtract, multiply, or divide once, multi-step equations require a sequence of operations to find the solution. Example: 2x plus 4 equals 122x plus 4 equals 122x plus 4 equals 12. Step 1. Simplify both sides. Before you start solving, it's essential to simplify both sides of the equation if possible. This can involve combining like terms or distributing numbers. Example: 2x plus 3x minus 5 equals 102x plus 3x5 equals 102x plus 3x minus 5 equals 10. Combine the like terms. 5x minus 5 equals 105x5 equals 105x minus 5 equals 10. Step 2. Move variables to one side. The goal is to have all the variables on one side and constants on the other. Use addition or subtraction to isolate the variable. Example: 3x plus 7 equals 2x plus 9. 3x plus 7 equals 2x plus 93x plus 7 equals 2x plus 9. Subtracting 2x from both sides gives x plus 7 equals 9x plus 7 equals 9x plus 7 equals 9. Step 3. Solve for the variable. Now that your variables are on one side, you can solve for the variable using basic arithmetic. This might involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Example: x plus 7 equals 9x plus 7 equals 9x plus 7 equals 9. Subtracting 7 from both sides, x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2. 1. Always check your solution by plugging it back into the original equation. 2. Be consistent. If you subtract something from one side, you must do the same to the other side. 3. Take your time. Even if it seems easy, rushing can lead to silly mistakes. 1. Forgetting to distribute a number across an entire parenthesis. 2. Not combining like terms before starting the solving process. 3. Misapplying the inverse operations, like subtracting instead of adding. That's a wrap on multi-step linear equations. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work on these equations, the more intuitive the process becomes. We hope this guide has clarified the steps and given you a stronger foundation in algebra. Happy studying!